that we're promoting today is a partner plan. We're pushing a partner plan to teach persons how to save. It's a great initiative where you save $1,000 a week, and at the end you get all your money plus interest.
What we're doing here today is to give information to the students about what they would need to register their businesses. We realize that a lot of students here need information as part of their coursework, right? And our booth has been busy from we have got here because they want information to complete their assignment as well as to find out about how to start their business and companies in Jamaica.
I am promoting here wellness through natural herbs through the books that I have promoting right here.
So we're promoting our 7 Seas line alongside our Olive Orange line. Our main selling products are the cod liver oil for 7 Seas and the cod liver oil capsules.
Right now we are promoting kids programs. Kids operates in 3 faculties: education, agriculture and science.
Today I'm displaying some of our fashionable, trendy clothing. And we also have some Bath and Body Works and a few makeup.
Very heartwarming to see that our students were displaying and demonstrating their work. I have on one of their bracelets, this nice blue one that I bought from them, and as well as there was one young lady with some art and another one with some pottery. Of course, the rabbits, a lot of persons are now interested in the rabbits and the guinea pigs, and so that was a good addition, and I'm happy that our students are catching on to the innovation and really recognizing that entrepreneurship is the way to go.
It's really great what you guys are doing, really, to help students and other persons to promote their business so that other people are aware.
Because we're able to learn about when a business comes forth and all these things. I learn about how starting a business and the companies that we're supposed to contact in case we want to start a business.
Well, I think it is a good way of publicizing someone's business.
It was a wonderful crowd, and they gave a wonderful performance.
The Release Innovation Tour is hype. I think it's a great idea. Big up to all of the sponsors.
I really enjoy the Release Innovation Tour. I do enjoy the food more too.
They were lit as hell, yo, for real. Shout out to all of the artists, shout out the whole Release crew, shout out to everybody.